to everyone? Sohail, Anisa, Sabiha, Saima, Danish. I hope everyone able to hear me properly.
Yes,
Loud and
sir.
clear, sir.
Oh, wonderful. So now, I hope you got an idea that why we are connecting here and what is the reason. Can I have some reason about the orientation here? Anyone knows?
Introduction to the course means like that.
Thank you. Thank you, mashallah. Fine, because the orientation, demonstration, or the regular session should be interactive. Interactive makes definitely a kind of, you can say, the outcomes, the training will be very successful. So, fine. Let's start with the orientation. I'll just share my slides here. Just give me a minute, please. Fine. Uh, the today's session is basically for a kind of, I can say something, orientation of a scholarship program, which is a common, like right now in our Cloud Infotech Academy, we are offering a scholarship of 80%, up to 80% scholarship as a discount to the training, very professional trainings. So before I go to that specific to orientation, I would like to introduction or introduce myself. This is Akbar Muhammad here. I'm from Hyderabad, and I have experience about 15 years plus into IT industry. I work with TCS and Virtusa and other companies, and I'm into like IT domain, and I have worked with multiple technologies. I can say I started my career with technical support and desktop support, where CommShare, A plus and security and network plus, it was my first journey on technical support. Where from there I like upgrade myself and my team, my management push me into kind of administration part, where I go for Microsoft Windows administration and as well as a Linux administration. That means a Windows Server administration part. And apart from that, I need to check out a networking and security perspective, the firewalls and security Cisco devices. So this is basically what I did before my cloud journey. And we know that cloud is basically comes in a very wonderful way to help a lot of IT companies to reduce their infrastructure cost. 2006 started initiated by Amazon. But initially I was into like Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure is going to be a kind of Microsoft product cloud technology where I started my career, but later I got an opportunity to work with Amazon like cloud project. So I got good experience from the multi-cloud environment, Microsoft Azure, and as well as is going to be what I can say. Just a minute. Uh, can I share the screen? I'm not getting the control. Uh, Can I have a screen share, please? Please, please. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hope you visited our website where you can find clear picture of our scholarship program. It's okay now for you? Communication is very important. You have to be, if you have any questions, meanwhile, you can ask in any time. Okay, fine. So we bring and kind of scholarship. I hope everyone able to hear me. Everyone, you're able to see my screen.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, that's very important. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair to confirm that you are able to see screen and you're able to hear my voice. Fine. So fine. Now we just go to this kind of high demand professional training right now.
Sir, can you
Before I,
explain in Urdu?
Acha, everyone speak Urdu there? Is okay? Everyone?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm comfortable in Urdu.
No,
Hindi,
no,
Urdu,
no,
yes.
no, sir, no, sir. Only English or Telugu.
English and Telugu, right? Okay.
Telugu.
So we got like, yeah, we need to respect everyone. So some asking about Urdu, someone asking about Telugu or English, right? So I go for normal or neutral language, English. Definitely separate session will be goes with Urdu also. Everyone is okay. Now please try to listen the class who requested for Urdu. Try to understand. And we'll have a separate orientation for Urdu. Inshallah, like we'll do that. Okay. So now, because I'm not comfort with Telugu, like we have a different trainer who's worked with Telugu, and I'm comfort with Hindi, Urdu, and English. So that's why I'm keeping that English language as a common teaching language. But later, according to that, or like students' language, will definitely switch to the our native language. Fine. So now, as we are discussing about the scholarship, as I said, my journey, I started my career, how exactly, and Microsoft Azure and the cloud. And from there, I work in TCS and Virtuosa other companies. I work with kind of South Africa and West Africa immigration department to train them and to implement their kind of infrastructure security there. And we have done the projects in oil and gas company in Gulf countries. And we have done the fintech and healthcare department cost optimization. So these are the project like what we are specialized into oil and gas and healthcare and fintech domain. Three domains are we are specific to them. Okay. So now on the base of this experience, alhamdulillah, like by the grace of God, I'm I'm a passionate trainer. It's not only I work in industry and I have an experience into industry. I'm passionate trainer and I do corporate training. I deliver international training for international candidates, right? So now I'm with you with this experience, and we design a kind of course curriculum always. What exactly the market demand as per the JD job description. So here, the course why we are offering this scholarship is because of what today's competition of IT and the BTech and non-BTech, right? Means graduate or engineering candidates. who did this kind of like the degree engineering, they are getting difficulties to get a job initially because a lot of companies asking for what? Experience. They're saying we are looking for experience, we are not looking for a fresher. So it's not easy for everyone to get into that, right? So it takes time. So it's not good. So now the time, like what I'm seeing past 2 years, I'm seeing the same trend. So a lot of freshers are getting distracted, demotivated. So now, on the base of that, definitely up and downs comes in a domain. Maybe today's is down, but tomorrow is going to be up. That means the more project comes, definitely more requirement comes. So on that perspective, we initiated the scholarship, let's say 80% scholarship. And what we have done is we want to make fee to be reduced and the quality remains same and extra quality. That means the subject should be very corporate and a professional training. So that's why we have designed a kind of programs and we are offering multi-cloud, data analytics, advanced digital marketing with AI or data analytics with AI also. So we have DevOps, AWS DevOps also. We offer the 4 domains basically, which is high demand in the market right now. Uh, the scholarship, basically, it's not only just a plain training because we have reduced the price. No, we improved our curriculum. We added a lot of bonus programs also, which definitely catch up a training or a job very easily. So that makes sense. Like here, I can say the bug fix and hackathon projects is added. Normally, we don't train hackathon and bug fix sessions to normal and general training, but after offering this scholarship, we want to add up more because of what? We want to have a more kind of professional into this scholarship. So the scholarship should not be remain as like free. That's why we don't care or we want to go for only less syllabus. No, we want to add up that it should be reach to the candidates who are job seekers or they want to change their domain. That means a switcher, job seeker or job switcher, or it can be a kind of like you're restarting your career again. So now we have designed this program, added to the hackathon project and bug fix sessions. Assessment assignments we do commonly in every programs. A daily assessment assignment will be there. That makes sense. That means the trainer should not only just explain and leave the class. They should have hands-on more labs, not only single lab. They need to have more labs so they can be confident. So assignment makes scenario-based kind of labs. And the bug fix sessions gives you more confidence on troubleshooting. How do you troubleshoot in real time? What kind of errors and what kind of like challenges you face, and how do you make a documentation? How do you follow up? Hackathon is going to be a teamwork where how do you work with the team and how do you execute the projects? How do you make a documentation? Everything guides here on hackathon projects. And internship offer letter. Training is not enough. So after training of like data analytics or multi-cloud, whatever the subject you choose, you have a choice, right? You can be in a multi-cloud, you can go for data analytics, you can go for digital marketing. But right now, the more demanding a program is a cloud technology. After AI introduced in the market, the cloud is becoming more demanding because of what? A lot of AI application is deployed on cloud. So that means they need more cloud engineers. So internship is basically uh, after the training, you should have hands-on interactive with the live projects where the companies offering and kind of like they are doing in projects and they are involving into the project, and you will get good hands-on and real-time experience that how the companies are working with the clients, how the time management is important, how the meetings are very important. What is stand-up meeting, Scrum meeting, what exactly it is, and how exactly the responsible person, as a responsible person, how to work in a company, behavior, discipline, corporate. So these all things you learn into internship. So that means this course is not only for training. We are making a kind of a job ready to you with an internship also. So you'll get, after the completion of the course, you'll get a training certificate plus internship certificate. And now what I can say, this basically what we do is Python and IELTS absolutely free as a bonus point when the students gets training and they perform well, they scored 80% more. Definitely, we do what? We definitely to motivate them. So we are offering Python because Python now become very common programming language for your cybersecurity, data analytics, or cloud, AI, data science, machine learning, whatever the domain you go. Python, at least you should know the Python core. You should know how to automate with the help of Python. And IELTS is basically required to understand the international language standards. And right now, the market, as we know that degree engineering certificate is not sufficient. What we required a kind of communication and technical. The high priority from my side, what I have seen, it's English language. That means communication is very important to get a job, number one. The second priority we can give to the technical, your cloud or data analytics or Python, whatever you do, that's technical. So if you do not have communication and but you're having some technical, it's not easy to crack interviews. So people are looking for a language. That's why we have added IELTS. We have a separate trainer who are expert into this training. So they can guide you with a very well soft skills and as well as IELTS standards. So you can easily understand how the corporate culture and how they communicate, how you need to understand the corporate style. So that's makes sense of this bonus. So it's only like in a markets charge you 10,000 initially. Very, I'm saying basic price. So the course, we can say that what we are offering, it's only 7,000 for entire course is not 1 month. It's a completely 3 month duration with projects, hackathon, bug fixations, and you get two certificates and you get bonus of IELTS and you got what? Internship also. So I hope you got understanding about the kind of curriculum you can download from here, what exactly it's offer, and what are the curriculum you're going to study about here, right? So now I want like if you have any kind of questions on this program, so you can just ask the questions. I'll give a 5 minutes. Then I'll conclude by adding how we are going to start, when we are going to start, what are the time slots are available, and say online, offline. Will guide you on that. But I need like now I have given a lot of information now, so I need that you should speak. And if you have any questions, please start. Any question, Rambabu, Saima, Sabiha,
Hello, sir.
and yeah, Sohail, go ahead.
Sir, I was asking like that, is this course lifetime access or what? Dashboard.
Fine. So now your question is correct, but the logic is not correct according to me. It's not only training. I motivate and I guide the students how you need to crack and how do you learn this specific technology. Now here I can say that why I'm saying that logic, because you should not think about lifetime, because you're not going to learn about 6 months or 8 months, 10 months, one course. You
Hello,
have
sir.
to do very quickly, very practically. Yeah, I'm just talking to the Sohail. Answer, please just wait.
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Digital
Sohail,
phone
like
check.
saying that lifetime is available, but being on that, the training should be very attentive. Whether you online offline, you have to communicate, you have to do assignment, assessments, right? And recording will be provided. So there is no problem. Recording will be provided, though you can use
Yes.
for the lifetime. There is no worries.
Mm,
But don't think about the lifetime, because you have
okay.
to say, you have to make a target that yes, I have to finish this program. I have a target of 5 months or 6 months to get a job. When
Yes,
you
sir.
have
Yes.
dedication and time limit, definitely you will get right. I hope you
Yes, sir.
understand, Sohail.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, and I got
Hello,
Safwan.
sir. Hello.
Basic. Yeah, hello. Sorry. Hello.
Sir, this is Rambabu.
Rambabu, yes, please tell me. How are you?
Sir, my fine, sir. My background BSc chemistry, sir.
Okay,
2025 passed out.
good.
Right way to choose cloud computing, sir.
Fine. Wonderful question, Rambabu. A lot of people's bother about what? I'm from BA, I'm from BCom, or I'm from non-IT. So I'm from BPO
Non-IT, yes,
background.
yes.
Is it possible to go ahead or something, right? So now the trend is changed, Rambabu. When you Google it, people are asking what? The companies are asking any graduate. But earlier,
Yes, sir.
3 years back, they're asking about only what? You should be from background of IT, BSc IT, or like BTech or something. But now the companies are asking only about any graduate, because they don't care about your curriculum, because the academic curriculum is not in line with the market demand. That's why they're not bothering about that. They're bothering about what? How the Rambabu speaks, how Rambabu technical, whether he's able to do the technical, whether he can help us on technical ground or not. That's only Rambabu. Is it clear?
Okay, okay.
Is it clear? Any questions, Rambabu? And no worries. And we have a special 1 week session for fundamentals. That means who have not having a knowledge about computers and they don't know about like IT terminology. First week will start complete very zero, very zero. Please mute your mic. Mute your mic, please.
అదే అట్లా. Sir, fresh sir.
Yeah, please. Next question. Next question, please.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Sohail.
Sir, means offline training, how is that? Means face by face or what? That face to face sessions offline.
Fine. Sohail, the training is basically pan-India, as well as we have international students also available. So we offer like offline and online both. Offline and online, both we offer. So it's your wish. How do you join? And we are offline available in Hyderabad, not in Bangalore. Okay. So definitely will
Okay, sir.
make sure that whether online, offline, everyone should understand. Only the thing from your commitment I need that you have to be regular, punctual, and you need to ask the question whatever you have in the class. Don't keep quiet. It's a bad sign. When you communicate, when you
Okay, sir.
questions to the training
Mhm.
session, definitely you learn a lot. Okay. So you have a rights to ask the question, any zero,
Okay.
any advanced question, no worries. We are going to help, inshallah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Okay, any question from other guys? We got a lot of people, right? Please don't
Hello,
stop,
sir.
right? Yeah, please. Okay, I take Safwan. I'm getting Safwan some question. Safwan saying that I don't know about Python basics. No worries, because you're learning about Python from the basic zero. We don't start anything with in between or a expert or advanced. We'll start with zero and we'll go for what? A kind of advanced level. That means the Python core. We are going to do some project, automation script on the cloud. How do you work real time? Automation with the Python integration to the cloud. We'll do real time integration. No worries, Safwan. I'm not degree graduate. Safwan again asked the question. I'm not degree graduate. So Safwan, are you learning or discontinued or what? Yes.
Yes.
Your voice is breaking, Safwan. Okay, and Muhammad, like Sabia Sheikh. Sabia Sheikh is basically how many members got job till now after completing course. Wonderful, Sabia. Very smart question and very targeted because it's very important. Training, 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 training. But the target is what? Job. So definitely like we have been from like 2008. So our students like alumni are working in globally in India also. They are working in TCS, Wipro, and last 2 weeks they joined EF, and even like they join like other companies like Deloitte, and people are working around the world. I can say Canada, UK, and US, and as well as in Gulf country specific to Qatar and Dubai. Is it clear? Any questions, Sabia? Yes, Safan, it's right now. No worries. You are eligible. Definitely, you're eligible for a kind of training, and you can do that. Sabia Sheikh, a very smart question again. Oh, thank you, Sabia, asking for the question. Work from home. A lot of people are now because of social media distraction, or I can say trap. People get what? Lazy. And in the market, there's a kind of issues of saying what, they're saying that there's a kind of laziness in youngsters mostly. They want everything online. But pandemic gives you the facility, but after pandemic, the companies are not giving fully for what? Work from home. Don't hope for that. 10-20% companies are giving that kind of thing, but for the security and some management issues, people are not giving work from home easily. Okay, Sabia, it's very important. Try to concentrate on what that you will not get work from home. You have to work to the company, but 10% or 20%, I can say max. Some people can give you the work from home. Basically, I can say uh, Germany, Singapore, or different kind of countries, developing countries can give you kind of like work from home job. There are jobs out there. We'll guide you on that. How do you do work remote? Any questions? Sabia asked a lot of questions very smartly. Anyone? Oh, Anisa is also asking. What? Anisa is asking. I'm not able to read. Just a minute.
Hello, sir.
Anisa, just a minute, please. Anisa,
Okay.
sir, will you please show us the previous progress of a students? Fine. You want like Anisa also asking like very practical question that she want to understand the progress of the students, right? The earlier student, previous. That means how they are doing. It's a good question, practically question, because as I said, people are working around the world and in India also, in our local Telangana, Hyderabad also specific. So now, what I can say that the course training, the scholarship, what we offering right now, it is the first time, right? It's the first time we offering scholarship of hackathon project with internship. So definitely you'll see a lot of progress. But earlier, the student who did, I can demonstrate, I can give you kind of connect to them. Next time, definitely we'll connect to the student who are doing very well practical. I can show you one student who is doing a kind of lab. I can demonstrate the student lab who is just intermediate second year pass out and degree first year. And when you see the practical, you see that someone is playing games. Someone is playing game. So we concentrate on what? We stress on giving a lot of assignment. So the speed of practical if anyone sees, they'll say, oh, he may be working, like might be working past 4 years or 5 years. We'll definitely introduce him also, and you directly live interact with our students, current
Hello,
students
sir.
also.
Hello.
Yes, please, Ram Babu.
Sir, freshers got a job in cloud computing, sir.
Come again, Ram Babu. You said job in cloud computing.
Freshers got a cloud computing job, sir.
Oh, Ram Babu also asked very pinpoint question. As I said, why we are offering the scholarship, because of what? From the past 2 to 3 years, people are getting some difficulty on freshers, but it's not easy, because you have to make an attitude of what? Never give up attitude. If you
I'm going to
consistently
shift them.
work with that, maybe after the course you may not get initially, but we have designed a practical approach. We are creating an ATS resume, and as well as we are creating LinkedIn and Naukri profile. Our other team will help you to create this profile initially, not after the course. That means after 2 weeks you have to update your profile. Definitely a fresher can get easily, but if you create resumes and everything after later the course, maybe you get 3 months or 4 months or 6 months to get a job, because the market is slow for the freshers, but for the experience they'll quickly take you. But we'll guide you how to get a job as an initial entry level job, so we can easily crack that, right? It's not only cloud, we can have an entry level job also. No worries, Ramesh Babu. It's good question from your side. Thank you. Yes, Suhail Mujawar is offline available. That means you can come in Hyderabad. You are most welcome. You'll have face-to-face training. Okay, Yafai Umar is saying that expected salaries. Okay, if I get a job also as a fresher, every domain, whether you go for AI engineer, whether you go for data analytics or cloud, right? You get at least 4.5, or depend on the company standard, it can go to 6 or 7 lakhs. But minimum is going to be what? 4. Safan is asking and very eager to join the course, and he's asking about when the course starting. Are you serious, Safan? Are you very eager to join this course? Am I asking to Safwan? Am I audible to it? Safwan? Yes, I'm. Oh, wonderful. Safwan, like there is no worries. We are going to start soon, because of the next month we are going to busy with our schedule. That's why we want to make separate scholarship training, because entire design of the syllabus and the curriculum and the target is different. So we want to make a time, that means February, right? February 11. So maybe March 11 we can start. That means 25 days or 1 month will be there to start the program. But the seats are limited. We want to keep a limited seats, because we have already a lot of inquiries from different location in Hyderabad itself. So we want to make something a slot for them. So we'll make it confirm, like here 25 days hardly, but if it's less or early, we'll definitely inform. But we request you to at least register the program, reserve the seats, so your other people will not, like, they'll get an opportunity, right? That's only our request, but there is no force, there is no compulsion. You can discuss with your parents or your elders who are having an IT domain. You can show this program how exactly we design. Definitely no one can deny, I'm sure, because it's India level, no one offers. We analyze all the training curriculum and everything. After that, we have designed this program. No one can give this kind of opportunity: training plus internship plus project, hackathon, bug fix sessions, Python, and as well as real-time kind of experience and IELTS. It's not easy. So we have a facility. That's why we are able to give this discount fee for the students, youngsters, basically. It's fine. Yeah, syllabus. Yeah, yes, like Yafai. We have given already syllabus in the like course, like in the website itself. You can download it. No worries. You got the Yafai, cloudinfotechsol.com. We have shown you that, right? You can see that. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes.
now you can see and you can download the course, download the syllabus. And you can see that here, 0 to multi-cloud architecture. So the curriculum is given here. You can just go through that. It's okay, Yafai? Okay, Sabia Sheikh, how to register? I'm sorry. Just first Mujawar, Suhail Mujawar, how to register? Oh, the brother is very interested. Again, Safwan and Suhail Mujawar are very interested for register. Definitely, it's opportunity. We don't force. We don't go for any gimmicks. It's you have to take opportunity, right? So you can take your suggestion from your elders and parents. There is no compulsion. So definitely, if you are interested, I suggest you to register uh, and do the program continuation. As early you register, then the training will get start initially very soon. We have a gap, as I said, 25 days minimum will take for this, and you will get notification on your email. Everything will be given to you, and it's very transparent. Definitely, will go with everything in a very smooth way. And I got Sabia Sheikh. Sabia Sheikh, it is not possible for me to go outside and work. I'm looking for a work from home opportunity. Will you please? Yeah, Sabia. Like as I said, it's not 100% not. We have to look out externally. Mostly in India, you'll not get, but externally you can get from outside. We have a student. She's working as a project manager. She's working from home, and she's from Mumbai. Okay. Uh, she's basically working on Microsoft Azure and AWS Cloud, and she did the program from us also. And she's doing work from home, and the project is mostly from Dubai. That means you can get the project from the remote work from other side, but we'll guide you how to prepare yourself. It's not that holding the hands and saying that I have a certificate of Amazon or Microsoft from Cloud Infotech, people will not give you. You have to be very strong and confidence, and your resume should be very professional, right? Then definitely no one can stop you to get it. Is it clear? Acha, fine. Saira Khan also targeted, initiated for the course. Definitely, it's an opportunity, Saira. I can say for everyone, it's an opportunity you have to take. Don't miss it. And we have only limited seats. We have completely 3-4 slots we are making, and we have only 300, 200 candidates to be enrolled because we have a capacity limited, right? So Sarah Khan is asking is what, can we pay for registration? Until when, right? Is there any kind of deadline date for it? So I can say that deadline is going to be 11, right? So I suggest everyone, because it's not deadline, but you can do, but depend on like registration, because we are getting different registration from our local Hyderabad and different states, and as well as some international candidates are there. So we cannot say, but we have a 200 limits. But I suggest you to do before 28th. Before 20th. Now it's 11. It's clear, Sarah? And one more thing is like for females, separate batch. So you'll definitely comfort and you just communicate well. A separate batch will be organized for the females, so you can easily go with the kind of batch and you enjoy the output of the curriculum, right? Thank you, Sarah. And Kausar Banu, I got, is it's suitable for Alim scholar? Oh, Kausar, like whether you do Alim or Hafiz or something, right? But if you have basic English language, because as I said, to work in a company is basically a degree, any graduate is required. Whether a scholar, you are alim or hafiz, no worries. You can go ahead. But if you have, I'm asking you a question to Kasaban. Do you have any kind of degree, basic degree, BA, BCom, BSc or something? So just let me know. I can guide you on that. How do you make this right? And it's not job. We'll guide you on the freelancing also. How do you do freelancing? How to earn the like money online before you get a job? Okay. And one more is what? Just a basic. Okay, Sarah Khan is we have this month to register. So basically, okay, right. It's suggested, right? It's suggestion from my suggestion. I don't want to give pressure or something limitation. We don't want to play gimmicks, but we have 200 limitation. I don't know. Maybe within 3 days, the 200 seats can fill because our team is getting a lot of different orientation and different peoples are connecting to us. So because the opportunity, right? And we don't force. We don't like give like follow-ups and unnecessary. If you're not interested, no, we don't go with that. We have a discipline. We have ethics. When the people are interested, definitely we'll talk to them. If they are not interested, we don't spend kind of G. Yeah, definitely, and you'll get receipt, online receipt. Everything will be confirmed, right? There's a kind of because I know like sometime online, even like a lot of people complain about online. Some people registered and they have not got proper acknowledgement, proper communication, payments. So definitely, it's a trust bonding. It's not me because your brother is working like with you or RH Graphics, right? So they are basically we are tie up. So definitely why we are directly not communicating to you? Because we want to have a channel partner. We need to have a kind of trust boundaries. That's very important. But amount is very less, no worries. But we definitely want to give everything to be very transparent and trustworthy, a process. No worries in that. Yes. Anything else? I got a lot of questions. Oh, but my English not perfect. So no English, Kausar. The English is not perfect. Even like my English also is not perfect. I'm just talking in like corporate culture. So if someone is sitting in a master English, definitely they'll catch up my errors. But speak confidence. And we have a IELTS here also. You improve it. And when we make separate female batch and everyone understand Hindi and will communicate in Hindi, the classes will be conducted in Hindi. There is no worries. But try to improve because when you have the degree, why not to improve and why not to improve yourself and why not to like catch up a kind of domain. And the more is very important is after getting this training, you can call as cloud engineer. Someone asks you what you are doing. So you say, what? I'm a cloud engineer searching for a job. I'm just waiting for a job opportunity. That means you got no title, whether you're BA, BCom, BSc, whatever it may be, but you can have a title of what? Cloud engineer. That's the point. Social identity also. That's all from my side. Any questions? I hope like Sohail, Kausar,